How to delete all liked songs on Spotify. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet and today I'll guide you on how you can delete all of your liked songs on Spotify. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First, you want to open up your Spotify application and make sure onto your account signed in. Now here you can see various options at the bottom of your screen, right? You can see home, you can see search, you can see library, and you can see premium. Now in order to delete your liked songs, what you want to do is you want to tap on the option that says your library. Under your library here, once you tap on it, you can see the first option that says liked songs. Now I only have 5 songs there. You can see it says playlist. You want to simply tap on it and you want to open up your liked songs playlist. Now in order to delete it from your liked list, or in order to delete your liked songs, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on that heart icon that you can see on the song. Simply tap on it and then simply tap on remove. You can see remove from liked songs. Simply tap on remove and it will be removed. Similarly, do so on the other songs as well. Tap on heart icon and then tap on remove, tap on heart icon and tap on remove. Now the annoying thing here is there is no any option to delete all your liked songs as one at once. You'll have to do it one by one to all the songs similarly that I have done so here. So this way you can delete all liked songs on Spotify. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.